Today I'm going to show you how to make some stuffed French toast using some croissants and a homemade cream cheese filling. Let's do this. All right, all we need for this is a package of cream cheese. You can use Neufchâtel if you'd like. It does bring a little bit of a different texture to it, or low fat. Just know that the texture might be a little bit different, but it's not going to ruin it by any means. This filling is similar to Panera Bread's honey walnut cream cheese filling. So if you're a fan of that, this is your thing. So to this 8 ounces, I have 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I have a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. I have 1 teaspoon of molasses. 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey! Okay, now that that's all incorporated, I'm going to add in some chopped walnuts. I've got about 1 tablespoon-ish. Give that a quick mix. All right, now to set this off to the side for just a minute while I get our croissants. All right, so first I have just a small baking dish, an 8 by 8. If you want to make a larger bunch, just double the recipe. It's pretty forgiving that way. So I'm going to spray this. For this I have 4 croissants. You can use the mini ones. The mini ones would work fine as well. I have refrigerated these so that they're easier to cut. They don't squash as much. I like that. I like that it's easier to work with. And I'm gonna start with, sometimes they have like a flatter side and a bumpier side. I'm gonna cut the bumpier side and have that facing up so it doesn't get all wonky when I put it in the pan. I'm just gonna make a nice pocket in there. Okay. I'm gonna fill these and stick them in our pan. This smells amazing, by the way. So good. If you're not a fan of walnuts, don't stick them in. If you want to stick another nut in, you can. If you'd like more fruit in it or whatever, you can do fruit. Strawberries and cream cheese, chocolate strawberries, cream cheese. I mean, the sky's the limit. You can do dark berries, you can do peaches. Make it how you want. This smells so good though, I gotta say. It really does. Don't pay the high prices at the store, you guys. You can make this yourself at home. You know, buy your own bagels or make your own bagels. Spread this on toast or whatever. That stuff, you know, $4 a little container just don't make sense to me. So just make it yourself. It's 99 cents for pretty much the whole thing. So do that. This is gonna be heaven. I'm gonna have to convince this to let his buddy in because we need to fill it. So let's turn you around. There we go. There we go. There we go. Now we're working. Okay, now here comes the egg part. So I got 2 eggs, fresh from the chickens. And a 1/2 cup of cream. You can do milk if you'd rather, or almond milk, or whatever works for you. I'm gonna beat that up here. All right, so now that we have our egg and cream mixture, we're just gonna pour that on the top, down the sides, all around. Then we're gonna top it with some cinnamon and sugar. Now I mixed this myself. You can mix yours. You can buy it at the store if you'd like, but it's just as easy to make it in your own house. So this is gonna taste like cinnamon sugar bagels. with the cream cheese. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Okay, it looked like I did a lot. I didn't. I wanted to make sure I got it all, so a little more for good luck. Pop it in the oven at 350 and let it all bake. Here we go. There you go. This smells delicious. All right, we've got this out of our oven. It smells amazing. The cinnamon sugar mixture on the top has crystallized, so it makes this nice little sweet crust. And we are gonna dig in and probably burn our mouths because, you know, hot, but worth it. I'm gonna loosen this up from the sides just a little bit. And then I'm gonna go for this guy right here. See if I can get him out. First one's always the worst, right? Good thing it all tastes the same. Okay. Okay, let me get that big glove off. Ooh, baby! This is usually the point where my children start appearing. It's because they start smelling it and they start wanting it, even though they have no idea what I've been doing. All right. Ooh, listen to that crunch. Can you hear that crunch? That crispy? Crispy. I just wanted you to hear it. Okay. Holy crap. If you guys don't rush out and try this tomorrow, I'm gonna be severely disappointed. This is so good. It tastes like French toast churros. That doesn't sound right, but it tastes really good. It tastes so good. It's got awesome texture. You have the protein in the eggs, you have the sweet and the little hint of spice from the cinnamon and sugar, but it has this amazing crust on it, and it's got that amazing filling. Oh my gosh, I can't even, no words. I cannot English anymore. This is amazing. Really, you have to try this. You've got to try this. Let me know in the comments below if you did try it and any adjustments that you made. I want to know how it turns out for you and anything that you added or took away. I like learning from you as well. Let me know. Let me know how it goes, because I'm gonna go eat this. Mmm. Mmm.